Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and we're going to talk about Microsoft a little bit. I think maybe this is another ranting video. I've been ranting a little bit yesterday and today, and on the Insider channel also. So one of the things that is interesting about Microsoft is the fact that even though they have improved the way they communicate over the last couple of years, and Microsoft is a different company today with Satya Nadella than it was with Steve Ballmer before Windows 10 and all of that. Yet, it's crazy how Microsoft has difficulty doing communications with its users and explaining things in a way that is easy to understand. There's still a part of Microsoft that I hate, and it's the fact that there's so much secrets still. It's so secretive right now, what's happening at Microsoft, that you look at that and you're like, why do you try to hide stuff like that? Because honestly, the majority of what I've seen that Microsoft tries to, doesn't want to explain or talk about, there's nothing really secret about it. There's no real reason to stay secret about it. And it drives us nuts. Like for example, the next version of Windows, I just talked about the time frame of 19H2. Okay, I understand that you might not have an official date about it because you're testing it, and so before it's being fully tested and you want to make sure that it works well, you don't want to say, hey, it's going to be on that date. But you could still help us out and say, well, we're looking at the time frame of maybe the week of that, I don't know, the week of October 10th. Let's say that. If all goes well, it's possibly there, it's going to happen. And update the information. They could have a nice update page that would just say, hey, we're targeting that time frame, and hopefully it's in that week that we're going to release it if all goes well. But come back here because we're going to update that information. I don't understand why you would be secretive about when you're releasing something or what is going to be in there. I mean, it's kind of weird, honestly. Plus the fact that they use this wording system that when they talk about something, you have no darn idea what they are actually saying half of the time. You almost have to read it and ask other people that read it, what did you actually, think about what they were trying to say here? And Microsoft actually had to explain itself in 19H2, and which is kind of weird. Why do you have to explain yourself? Just be clear and be like, well, this is what we're doing, and this is what's going to happen. And okay, it's very, very weird that there's so much secret still. I mean, every company has a secret, as that secretive thing, that secretive moment where you actually, know that this is, you can't talk about certain things. It's totally normal. Every company is like that. But there's a lot of what they don't want to talk about that is so secretive and shouldn't be secretive like that, honestly. So you're like, what the hell are you doing, But anyways, it's Microsoft, and I wanted to do a little rant on Microsoft today. I think they could be so much clearer, and everybody would be happier. If they would be more transparent, there would be less people thinking that, they're getting screwed by Microsoft in some way. And I don't understand why they can't see that. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thanks for watching.